Take a ride in the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, wheel covers, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.